Very beautiful good morning guys, and welcome to my new flight review. Today I'll be flying Bangkok Airways all the way from Phuket to Bangkok. But first of all, let me show you my hotel. So I'm staying at the DoubleTree by Hilton. Look at this view. And of course a little bit messy because I need to get ready. So guys, if you're ready, let's go to the airport.
A few minutes later.
Today I'm flying Bangkok Airways all the way to Bangkok, and they have 35 planes in their fleet. Most of them are Airbus A319-100, Airbus A320-200 and ATR 72-600. So what it is like to fly Asia's boutique airline, I don't know yet. So let's go and find it out. After a quick security check at the entrance to the domestic terminal, I appeared in the check-in area which I actually needed. As you can see, it was super empty. Perfect, thank you very much, thank you, bye-bye. Then after document review, I went for another security check and then straight to Bangkok Airways lounge. Bangkok Airways lounge in Phuket appeared not to be so big. However, it is still nice to have option to eat, so I use my Priority Pass membership card in order to access it. As you can see, there is no buffet option for the main course, however there is menu with 7 options, which is just amazing. I ordered myself chicken with mango sauce, and while waiting for it, I enjoyed a cup of green tea. Few minutes later my food was ready, and I have to say the food was very good, even better than in some European lounges. After having my breakfast, it was time to leave the lounge and start moving towards my gate number 7. Thank you, bye. When I arrived to my gate, boarding was about to begin, and it started exactly when it's supposed to be, 9:55 AM. So guys, it is time to board the Airbus A320 from Bangkok Airways. It's my first time flying this airline, and they call themselves Boutique Airline of Asia. And I just realized that they have 4-star rating in Skytrax. So let's check it out. Boarding process was smooth and without issues. When I stepped on board the 16-year-old A320, I got a very warm welcome from the crew. Then I stowed my bag and took my seat, which was 2F for today. So guys, welcome on board Airbus A320 of Bangkok Airways. It's my first time on board this airline. And yeah, let's do a quick seat tour. So the seat pitch is very good. Actually, I just realized that I'm sitting in the second row, which is kind of looks like premier class. I actually didn't know about it. I don't know how I got this seat. Literally, I just checked in and I got this seat. Apparently, it's kind of domestic business class. So yeah, that's the view I have from the window. As it appeared later, this is not a business class on this specific route, and they are using it as an economy. But it's still nice to have a seat in front of the plane, especially for that engine sound. Then few minutes later the boarding was completed and we started our pushback. Flight time for today was expected to be 1 hour and 5 minutes with cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. By the way, it was my shortest taxi to the runway ever. Literally, it took like 35 seconds. Sounds crazy, isn't it? And here we are on runway 09. I decided not to cut takeoff video so that you could enjoy this incredible engine sound. Hold on tight. Shortly after the seatbelt sign was turned off, I went to visit the loo. It appeared to be cleaned and equipped with the basic amenities. Then I returned to my super comfy seat, which is an old design wide fat seat, not like those current slim design ones, which are very uncomfortable when flying some airlines. Shortly the captain came back to passengers with landing details and we began our approach to Bangkok. But wait a second, isn't this boutique airline offering any beverages on this flight? Because Bangkokairways were almost double the price compared to the competitors flying the same route. Apparently, this is the current regulation in Thailand, that the airlines cannot serve food on domestic flights. Because when we were leaving the aircraft, we got a mini package which included just water and cookie.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome Airbus 320 flight 272 bound for Flywithandrius Airport, Bangkok. We are now cruising at 35,000 feet above mean sea level, or about 10.7 kilometers, and cruising speed 780 kilometers per hour. We expect to arrive at Bangkok at 12:45. Weather forecast for Bangkok is reported to be fine. Visibility 10 kilometers, temperature 39 degrees Celsius. Wind swing from north about 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. For your safety and comfort, please remain seat fastened with seatbelt and keep standard tablets, and we wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you.
This flight itself was good, nothing special compared to the competitors. However, the cabin crew was incredible, seat legroom was insane, and cheapest rate included 20 kilos of baggage. I really think that Bangkokairways have a bright future, and I would love to see them in some medium-range international flights. So if you think that the summary ends here, watch till the end to know what happened later.
Please stop and the seatbelt sign is that turned off. Please check your personal belongings and travel documents.
Thank you, bye-bye, thank you. As soon as I left the plane, I went good 300 meters to the baggage area to pick up my bag, and it appears that my bag was damaged. The zip rack was missing and lots of black scratches on the luggage are seen. I went to baggage service desk and reported it. However, the airline representative said this is not a valid reason for compensation. That's why I decided to involve my insurance, because luggage cost me an arm and a leg. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you very soon.